Well guys, as you just saw, the slab is finally done. Kind of the first part to a longer plan. We went with, it is a 6-inch slab with rebar, as you just saw. We did go with 3,500 PSI, just because they were saying the 4,000 PSI, they were afraid it was going to set up too quick with having to bobcat it in the backyard. So for what I'm doing, this is fine. So you can see this gap I was talking about. This I'm going to be filling in with just some 4,000 PSI Quickcrete. I'll just hand mix it and get it as level as I can. And this part of the footer, which will be underneath soon, that's going to be holding all the weight for the carport's stringer of legs, because it's going to be up against this wall. But you see, these guys nailed it. That's above and beyond what I was expecting. I really wasn't even paying any mind to this old little chunk, that little landing for the shed, but the measurements wound up perfect. This is 20 foot and 6 inches by 23 foot and 6 inches. And then the extra foot I'll be doing, as I said. So the whole slab will be 24 and 6 inches by 20 and 6 inches. It's only about 3 days old at this point. I've still got to wait a couple days before I put any weight on it. I'll probably wait quite a bit longer than that before I move the Galaxy onto here. I'll probably wait close to 30 days because of the thickness of the concrete and it partially being shaded throughout the day. But finally getting somewhere. All right, so we're gonna just do the half for now, because I don't know exactly how much Quickcrete it's gonna take. I've got 10 bags, actually 11. Sure, I know it's not gonna take anywhere near that, but I wasn't sure how much to buy. So, same as usual, set up a little concrete mixing setup. Obviously we gotta get it as level to the slab as we can, and ideally have it sloping downwards ever so slightly. It doesn't really matter, I guess, too much, just because this is going to be open to the elements for up to a year. The plan is to put a carport over this slab now anyway, so it's not terribly important at the moment. But if I'm ever washing a vehicle, it'd be best to keep the water centralized on the slab, because it is a 1-inch slope that way, gradually. But all right, well, I'm gonna get to work. half of it done. Not perfect. Probably could have smoothed this out just a little bit more, but that's kind of I'm fine with that texture. I really don't care. That's probably the roughest spot. I thought I had it smooth right there, but I guess 100 times I went over this. Kind of see what the method to the madness was. It's nice to see ideas take shape. Simple as this is. I did have that squared to the wall, but I think it got budged just a little bit. I don't know. I'm not too worried about it. So this was 5 in like a quarter bags, and I didn't really use a lot of that last quarter. You know, it's not the cleanest, but I mean this is them anyway, so I don't care. it's a slab. It's not supposed to look like a marble floor. You can kind of see what I did over here. I angled it. It is actually angled in slightly. Not perfect. So I still haven't really figured out what the plan is for right here, because yeah, we're gonna have an issue with rainwater at some point, so I don't really know what the plan is. For now, I'm probably just gonna get some dirt and pack it in here so the water just flows out this way further down. But it's a shame. I guess I should have went farther with the wall, but I don't know. It's one of those afterthoughts I just have to I'll deal with. I'll figure something out at some point. See, it's not too bad. A little wavy. Okay, so that's done. Didn't really record doing this one. Wasn't feeling that great on that day. You don't have to worry about that. That's nothing. That's just a little miscoloration. Still a little damp. Just finished this yesterday. That was the day before. And see, I still have to figure out what I'm going to do over here. But that's that done.